Hello, my name is Tim and welcome to my Houdini destruction tutorial. This is a complete tutorial showing how to create an art-directable destruction scene inside Houdini. Everything is created from an empty Houdini scene, therefore a basic understanding of Houdini UI is all that is needed to be able to follow this tutorial. I will show you production-proven rigid body destruction techniques using RBD Bullet Solver. During the tutorial, we will learn how to properly fracture a model, create constraints, and create secondary simulations like debris and pyro. So let's get started.